So guys, if you want to use the system restore tool in the Windows recovery environment, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. So for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get into this screen, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times and it will take you into this screen. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button, turn it on again. As it's turning on again, you want to quickly turn it off and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times and it will take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now once you're in this screen, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then click on System Restore. If you do not see System Restore here, you want to click on See More Recovery Options, and then it should appear right here. So you want to click on System Restore. And now once you're on this, if you have a restore point already set up on your computer, you can go back to it. So if you do, you want to click on Next. If you clicked on this video because you want to fix your computer but you do not have a restore point, I'm going to be leaving a link down below in the description that you can do instead to then fix your computer. So if you do have a restore point, then you want to select it, and then click on Next. You can scan for your affected programs. So this list will include the programs and the drivers that are going to be removed. Click on Close. And if you're fine with this, you're going to click on Finish. And then click on Yes. It will then take you back to your previous restore point, and then hopefully your computer will be fixed.